Imagine stepping into a completely new world at just 9 years old. You barely speak the language, and suddenly you find yourself in a school meant for troubled kids. No one knew then that this boy would one day change the world of technology forever. This is the story of Jensen Huang, the man behind NVIDIA. Jensen was born on February 17, 1963, in Taiwan, a country still finding its place in the tech world. But destiny had bigger plans for him. At just 9, his parents sent him and his brother to the US for better education. Due to a mix up, he ended up in a tough boarding school in Kentucky, an institution meant for troubled kids. Instead of feeling defeated, he adapted. This experience made him tough and taught him discipline, independence, and resilience. He studied electrical engineering at Oregon State University and later earned a master's degree from Stanford University, where he became passionate about semiconductors. Jensen wasn't just another engineer, he had a vision that would change computing forever. In 1993, at the age of 30, he co-founded a startup named NVIDIA with two colleagues in a small office, focusing on building graphics processing units, GPUs, a new type of chip that could handle graphics better than anything before. The early years were tough. Most people believed only CPUs mattered, and many doubted the future of GPUs. In 1999, NVIDIA launched the world's first GPU, the GeForce 256. It was a game changer, and NVIDIA became a leader in the gaming world. But Jensen wasn't just thinking about gaming, he saw something no one else did. GPUs weren't just for graphics, they could do much more. By 2010, NVIDIA made a bold move and started investing heavily in AI and deep learning. At first, people doubted him, but soon tech giants like Google, Tesla, and top researchers started using NVIDIA's GPUs for AI, self-driving cars, and supercomputers. This turned NVIDIA into a global leader in artificial intelligence. Fast forward to today, NVIDIA's stock has skyrocketed, making it one of the most valuable tech companies in history. By 2024, NVIDIA reached a $3 trillion market value, surpassing companies like Amazon and Tesla. Known for his signature black leather jacket, Jensen isn't just a tech genius, he is a visionary who turned a small startup into an empire. Today, NVIDIA is shaping the future of AI, robotics, and the metaverse. From gaming to AI-driven medical research, Jensen Huang's impact is everywhere. His journey proves that resilience, vision, and innovation can change the world. Next time you think about AI, gaming, or the future, remember the name Jensen Huang. If you enjoyed this story, like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. More incredible journeys coming soon.